Hi, Michael Shepard with Michael Angelo's Pizza and the World Pizza Champions. Been in business for about 9 years, and over those 9 years we've seen our business grow dramatically. And to keep up with that growth, we've had to go from a couple small deck ovens to a couple small conveyor ovens to what we've got now, or the XLT 3255s by Bofi. We've got a triple stack in our store, and together these can pump out about 250 to 300 pizzas an hour, depending on how you've got them configured. Just want to take a minute to show you how these work. I've taken apart the front of the conveyor oven to give you a quick peek inside just how these things work. Basically, most conveyor ovens all work on the same principle. You've got hot air being pushed through the oven, what's called air fingers. Now, that hot air flows out of the back of the oven, down through, and is channeled through through the finger and out these holes. Now what this does is this allows you to configure the oven to your specific type of pizza. Some pizzas are thicker, some are thinner, some are fresh dough, some are par-baked. Each dough is going to require a different finger arrangement. Typically what you have is you've got a row of air fingers across the bottom, you've got your conveyor belt, and you've got a row of air fingers across the top. Most applications you'll find the air fingers on the bottom are always pretty much open full blast. As much air as you can get out, blowing up as fast as you can. The top is usually a little different. You'll typically have maybe just only 3 or 4 fingers on the top. This is able to have 5 across each top and bottom. This particular application only has 3 across the top. 2 blank spots on each end. Blank spots allow at the beginning for your yeast to have more time to rise. Once yeast hits that certain temperature, it dies. So it's important to bake your pizza slowly at the beginning, less temperature. One of the things you can accomplish with a conveyor oven is you can achieve somewhat of a deck bake. Especially if you're in the delivery business, you deliver that pizza 20 minutes after it comes out of the oven, 30 minutes after it's out of the oven. They're virtually indistinguishable between a deck oven and a conveyor oven. What you need to do is you need to sacrifice a little bit of your production. You'll need to give up a little bit of that, what a conveyor is known for, the speed. You have to slow your conveyor down, lower your temperature, and let it have a slower bake. That'll typically give you more of a deck oven bake. But you want to consult with your manufacturer. They will be able to help. Couple things you need to do to get your oven set up correctly is to get your time and your temperature where you want it. This combined with your air finger arrangement will give you your end bake. It'll take a lot of time to get this to where you want it, so be prepared to spend a lot of hours and a lot of pizza to get this to where you'd like it to be. The other thing you want to keep in mind is conveyor ovens are loud. It can be really loud, so you want to keep this in mind when you're purchasing them.